darling. Hi! Welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. Mamahaw me. Diba? So, we don't have rice. Right? And Terence
We don't have rice. We do have rice.
We have rice, but we didn't eat rice in the morning. So,
I'm just not eating rice.
Yeah. And then, that's Terence chop suey. It's a mixed vegetable of there's a corn on that, and then beans, sweet potato, what else? Atsal, paper. I think paper. Yeah. And then we got here sweet potato, wild sweet potato. Lamig ni siya. Pertila ni siyang gagmaya kay na south man. Na south man ni siya. Ang tawag ani murag look, very small. Tungod sa kainit, perti mang inita, wala na sustansya ang yuta mo ning perting gagmaya. Di ba, nanay? Nanay?
I know that in English.
It says that because of the El Nino, right? Because of no water, no rain, the crops are being affected. That's why the result, the production or the product, the result is the smaller. Look. But this is very healthy because it's a cleansing for the intestine. If you have bad stomach or bad energy on your stomach, you just eat this and it will cleanse you. Because after you eat this, you're gonna have you part, you have utot. You're gonna have utot. So
And that's a good thing.
yes, because it means that your energy, your energy or the bad energy inside you is coming out. Yeah. So nag-init pa kong kape, ininit. I'm boiling hot water for my coffee. I just have coffee here, 3-in-1 coffee. This is I want mocha, but
You shouldn't be drinking coffee.
but it's okay because it's only once a day, and besides it's not usual. It's not all the time. I only drink coffee once I feel I want to relax, right? I drink coffee once I want to relax. In other words, I'm not relaxed and I
Coffee
want.
doesn't make you relax.
Yeah, it depends on coffee's life. You eat this. This is a substitute of rice. Because the kilo of rice now is so expensive. It's around 40 to 50 per kilo. And if you just buy 1 kilo of this, it's gonna be last for a week. But it's different. It's different if you eat rice. If you already use some rice, and you suddenly switch to other directions because wala siguro na tubig. Yeah, we're out of water. Did you off the water? So possible they're washing.
Well, they're taking all the water.
Yeah, so again, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna off the water. Wait for my coffee with sweet potato.